Hey, I just want to do an unboxing of this Harbor Freight ramp set right here. Costs $40. You can get it cheaper, maybe like 30 something. I had a 20% off coupon, so 20% off $39.99. So it has two pieces. It's a little bit lower than the metal one, but I actually kind of like that. And it holds, I think, yeah, 1,600 pounds gross vehicle weight, so 16,000. So plenty of weight. Should be really good to go. So we'll go ahead and open this guy up. All right, gonna open this up. All right, so I just have it on this one side. Definitely feels solid, even though there's obviously there's hollow areas there. Put that down there. Second part of the ramp is right here. So there's your two ramp pieces, and then the stand, and I guess these two kind of almost like a puzzle piece just snap right into each other. That's that, and I guess as the car goes up, it must pop over that. As your car goes up the ramp, it pops over that. And then last piece right here. Be interested to figure out what these are, but oh, I see. Okay, so we'll pull this out too. And again, that one goes there. And then there's just these little clips here that go right into there. We'll just pop this on there. And then just step on it to put it in place. And I guess that opens it up. And then the final piece, these little guys here, I would imagine go down here somehow. So I'm going to figure that out. And that's it. That's about it to the ramps. And we're going to go ahead and jack the car up on them. So what I like about these is I had the metal ones years ago, and the metal ones come up so high they actually will hit the bottom of the car. This one doesn't, so it clears nicely. So just line it up with the tire so it's not too far to the outside or inside. Make sure they're straight. Same thing on this side. Just make sure you got it straight, lined up nicely, and then ride the car right up on the ramps. Alright, so I'm just going to push it up, pull it up on the ramp nice and slowly. Feel it going up. And it sounded kind of interesting, so let me go see what I got here. I think I'm a little too far on the outside here, but it seems like it's up there on it, okay? Go over to the other side. And it's perfectly good on that side. So I would definitely recommend putting a jack under one side at least when you're using ramps, but you know, as you can see, I have the car up on the ramps. It's a little bit, the tire's a little bit off on this side, so I'm not that big of a fan of that, but I think it'll be all right. So let me know what you think of these ramps, and do you have a pair? Would you go with the plastic ones or would you go with metal? What are your thoughts? Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, please.